Hi there and welcome back. So in today's video, I want to share with you some Piriformis specific stretches to help you get relief. And in this routine, I'm just going to go through the exercises or the stretches one after the next, and just make sure to maintain the stretch from 10 to 20 seconds. If you feel any kind of pain, just take a break. Never push through the pain and never push through the stretch if it's more than what you're comfortable with. So it's going to depend on your level of flexibility, but always listen to your body while you're doing these stretches, and make sure to only do these stretches from 1 to 4 times a week. You don't need to be overstretching, because again, stretching shouldn't be used to fix the pain. It's just kind of a tool to help release any tightness, to add flexibility, and just to make us feel better in general. So let's get started with this routine. I really hope you enjoy it. So these are my top Piriformis stretches that I love to do after my workouts, specifically my leg and glute workouts. I really hope you enjoyed them. Overall, they shouldn't be triggering any pain. Again, just don't hold the stretch for too long. The sweet spot is usually between 10 to 20 seconds. And then switch legs, and if you feel any discomfort, just take a break from the stretch. If you missed my video about Piriformis strengthening exercise, I will leave a link below. Make sure to check it out, and I will see you in the next video.